free until we figure out where your happiness disappeared so you can have access to it. So this is how you make an elephant noise. You take your lips and you're curling them like this, like you just did